Are you struggling to make an impact with your social media marketing efforts? Do you find it challenging to reach and engage your target audience effectively? If so, you're not alone. Many businesses face these same obstacles in the ever-evolving world of digital marketing. However, there is one powerful tool that can help you overcome these challenges and take your social media game to the next level: Twitter ads. Twitter ads offer a unique opportunity for businesses to supercharge their social media marketing strategies. With over 330 million active users worldwide, this platform provides unparalleled reach and engagement potential. In this article, we will reveal insider secrets on how to leverage Twitter ads effectively, giving your business a competitive edge in the digital landscape. Reach millions of potential customers. One of the most significant advantages of using Twitter ads is its vast user base. By tapping into this extensive network, you can expose your brand to millions of potential customers who are actively seeking information or engaging with content related to your industry. Target specific audiences. Twitter's advanced targeting options allow you to narrow down your audience based on factors such as demographics, interests, behaviors, and even keywords used in tweets or searches. This precision targeting ensures that your ads are seen by people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Boost brand visibility. With Twitter ads promoted tweets feature, you can amplify the visibility of important updates or announcements from your brand. These tweets appear at the top of users' timelines or search results pages, ensuring maximum exposure for crucial messages such as product launches or limited time offers. Drive website traffic. If increasing website traffic is one of your primary goals, then Twitter ads can be a game changer for you. By promoting links to relevant landing pages or blog posts through promoted tweets or website cards, image-based ads, you can drive targeted traffic to your website and increase the chances of conversions. Generate leads. Twitter ads lead generation cards enable you to capture valuable customer information directly within the platform, eliminating the need for users to fill out lengthy forms on external websites. This seamless experience encourages higher conversion rates and allows you to build a qualified database of potential leads. Increase app downloads. For businesses with mobile apps, Twitter ads offers app install cards that make it easy for users to download your app directly from their timelines or search results pages. By leveraging this feature, you can significantly boost app installations and expand your user base. Engage with video content. Video is an incredibly powerful medium for engaging audiences, and Twitter ads provide several options for promoting video content effectively. Whether through promoted video tweets or in-stream video ads, you can captivate viewers with compelling visuals and tell your brand story in a more immersive way. Measure success with analytics. To ensure that your Twitter ads campaigns are delivering the desired results, take advantage of Twitter's robust analytics tools. These insights allow you to track key metrics such as impressions, engagements, click-through rates, center, and conversions, providing valuable data that can inform future campaign optimizations. In conclusion, incorporating Twitter ads into your social media marketing strategy can give your business a significant boost in reach, engagement, and conversions. By harnessing its vast user base along with advanced targeting options and various ad formats like promoted tweets or lead generation cards, you have all the tools necessary to achieve remarkable results. So why wait? Supercharge your social media marketing efforts today by unlocking the full potential of Twitter ads. With millions of potential customers at your fingertips and insider secrets revealed in this article, success is just a few clicks away. Remember, reach millions. Target specific audiences, boost brand visibility, drive website traffic, generate leads, increase app downloads, engage with video content, measure success with analytics. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your social media marketing to new heights. Get started with Twitter ads and watch your business thrive in the digital landscape.